Some of you may have heard me in the past being an advocate of running an engine in to get rid of all the stiff spots in it. And that's what I'm doing this morning. I have my electric drill set up in the cradle to hold it. There's a connection between the electric drill and the flywheel of my engine. My engine is going through all its normal motions. It's not firing because there's no spark plug in it. But I'm very close to having a running engine, and I know some of you will like to copy the support that I've made for my electric drill. This is kind of a nifty support because not only does it hold the electric drill, but by screwing this lever in and out, or this knob, I can increase or decrease the pressure on the finger trigger, and I can increase or decrease the speed of my drill as it's held there. And I just thought I'd show you this because you probably haven't seen it before.